Hello everybody, Liam Muzzik here once again. Last time we spoke, we talked about what to do before the gym and what kind of good meats to eat. And today we're going to talk about what to do after that workout. Recovery becomes extremely important to make sure that all that time you're spending in the gym, lifting those weights, trying to get in shape, you're getting the best out of that workout. And so today is all about recovery. So today we're going to do a really quick demo on a really wonderful smoothie to make. Very easy, quick and dirty is the way I kind of call it. If you don't have a lot of time, it's easy to do. Why recovery is so important? Your muscle right after workout they're primed for that growth that you're looking for. Whether you're looking at actually putting a lot of muscle mass or you're just really trying to be toned and stay in good shape, we want to make sure we're doing the right things for our body to ensure that our muscles do react appropriately, and that's by growing and getting stronger. Contrary to what some people might say, carbs are really quite important after workout, and that's because they actually help the muscle glycogen stores, the thing that gives you that energy for your workout, get back in there. There is indications that insulin actually plays a key role in making sure all those nutrients that you're taking in gets into those muscles and you get that growth. So carbs become important after workout, and on top of that, protein becomes important too, because as we know, protein is the building blocks for that muscle. So we're gonna do a bit of both. So really quickly here, what we have is whatever your favorite liquid is. You can use water, but today we're using almond breeze. Depending on much and how much you need, but I would say roughly a cup, a bit more. If it ends up being too thick for you, add a bit more liquid. It's pretty straightforward. We're gonna add a banana. On average, most bananas have roughly 20 some odd grams of carbs in it. What I like about the banana, because it's just like a really natural sweetener, so it's really great there. Whatever your favorite cup of protein powder is, on average, a scoop like this would have roughly 20 grams of protein. Looking at sort of conventional wisdom out there, right after workout, having somewhere between 15 to 20 grams of protein will work really well. The carb should be roughly 30–40%. That banana's about 20. We've got some wonderful plain granola. This one's got a bit of sweetener in it, so if you want no sugars, just buy some plain granola, which works really, really well. That I put about a half a cup in there. That half cup in there is roughly 25–30 grams of protein as well. Once you're all done, we'll see how thick this ends up being. Start off slow. If you got a Vitamix, any blender will work. Slowly turning it up so you don't make a mess maybe. Give that a good whirl. I think that probably will do the trick. Once done, I like using shaker cups because if you don't have time to drink it all in one sitting, this looks great. Dump it in. Cheers. Your muscles will thank you. Your body will thank you. And it's so good to do that recovery time. Anyway, that's the demonstration for today. So please check us out on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. Participate with us in any way you can. Anything you need in terms of helping yourself with your recovery or your physical gains, come see us.